Hello everyone, Andy here. Let's have a look at the DAX futures for Wednesday, October 25th. For the record, today is Tuesday, October 24th. Time is around 6 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and in my yesterday's video I explained you that we are heading towards our wave 2 area as foreseen in the higher time frame analysis. And now the question is, which kind of path will we follow towards this area? Could be the WXY structure, where we had a wave X that did not reach our area, as you can see. However, the wave Y area would then become this area here if we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then we should end up somewhere in this area here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. Now, it could also be that we make another low here before we see a bit more, before we see more upside, either as a wave X here or maybe even here as a wave B. And if we make another low, then this here would be an impulse in 5 waves. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this could actually be interpreted as a wave A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as indicated in red. I do not really favor this scenario because I don't really like this first wave 1 here. A wave 1 is an impulse, is supposed to have 5 waves. And for me, I see 3 waves here, 1, 2, 3. So therefore, I prefer the WXY scenario. However, if we make another low right here, I will be forced to count this as an impulse down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if this is a wave A, then we can move up here as a wave B. If we keep this low for now, then we might now be working here on this wave X. So this wave Y here can unfold as another WXY structure. And then the area where we should go is this area right here. If we take the length of the wave W, then we should go into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. And so if we zoom in at the 1 hour, non-surprisingly, we had some upside today. Either we had to do this wave 4 or we had to work on this wave X right here. So two very likely, or the most likely scenarios in the near term, both scenarios involving an upward move. So it's not so surprising that the market then moves up. However, now, as you can see, we reached the wave 4 area. So if we take the length here of our wave 3, then we know that our wave 4 here should go into the area between the 0.146 and the 0.618 FIB retracement. We are currently in this area, and we also actually reacted very nicely from the equal leg area. If we take the length of the wave A here, the length of the wave B, then here this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension could be the area where the wave 4 ends as an A, B, C structure. And we also had a reaction from here. So now we have to see. So far, this is clearly 3 waves. So this can be the wave 4. However, if we get a 5th wave here, then I would really start to favor the wave X scenario, because then it gets unlikely that this here is a wave 4. Then we could have like a wave X as an A, B, C structure, something like this. So in the next hours we can next hours actually we can learn something here from the DAX, what exactly will happen. But yeah, like I told you, this low does not need to hold. This can perfectly be a wave 4. So we can take out this low here as an impulse, 5 waves down. Then we have our wave A, and then we can see upside as a wave B. However, if we would make like a fifth wave right here, then it becomes unlikely that this is a wave 4, because a wave 4 is moving in, as corrective, is moving in 3. So 1, 2, 3, and if we get 5 waves right here, then yeah, then this is an impulse, and then this can be an A, B, C structure like this. So that's my take on the market. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.